Have you ever wondered what a $100 roll pan looks like? I have, so I bought one, and we're going to put it on the truck today. Welcome back to the garage, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on the Big Block Lightning. So the worst part of the back of this truck, other than the horrific paint job on this bed cover, is this bumper. I don't know if you can tell, but it's all out of adjustment. It's bent, it's dented, it's chrome, and it's been spray painted. It's awful. Now, I do a lot of towing with this truck, so really I want a hitch on the back of the truck, but I don't want a hitch that's below the bumper. So I decided to go with a roll pan. So I was having a hard time paying 300 bucks for some molded plastic. So what I did is I bought a steel roll pan. I actually got it from Advanced Auto Parts. With all the discounts and everything applied, I ended up getting it delivered to my door for $76. So you really can't beat the price if it works. So let's get this thing opened up and see what they sent us. So I'm already a little bit concerned with the box, because if you look at it, the staples have all been removed and this thing has packing tape on it. So this one might have been bought and returned. Oh, jeez. All right, so far so good. So first impression is it's heavy. It's a lot heavier gauge than I thought it was going to be. I'm sure it's going to have some dings and dents somewhere, but I really can't complain for 76 bucks. I mean, the iron's almost worth that much. So let's go size it up to the truck and see what this is going to look like. So with just 4 bolts, 2 electrical connections, we had this bumper off. We popped the tailgate off so we could see a little better. Now comes the moment of truth. Will this roll pan fit the truck? I already have my concerns. I think I've been had. This is not gonna work. So the first thing I noticed is right here, this flange does not fit the back of the bed. And then there might be this minor detail of this large cavity here. This is just not even close to working. So I immediately knew what I had to do to fix this. First thing we did is put the $100 roll pan back in the box. Then we put the original bumper back on the truck and took a bit of spray paint and we just touched up our chrome a little bit. See how much better that looks? And it doesn't even matter if you run it a little bit, because it's still going to look better than a $100 roll pan. So guys, I don't know about you, but this is one of the most educational videos I've done yet. So hopefully you guys can learn from my example. But on that note, guys, we're going to end this video off right there. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.